Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing some faux locks. I ordered some faux locks, pre-made faux locks from Amazon, and I thought I would show you guys how I do my hair. I usually section my hair off about 10 rows, I believe, and this sectioning it first just make it a lot easier for me. And I did about 2 rows in the back, which is from the back of my ears to ears, and on the left side I did 5 rows, and on the right side 5 rows also, so I believe it's about 12 rows in total. And each row I do about 4 braids each, so I could do the locks. With the parting, I'm not the best of the best, but I do my best if you know what I mean. But yeah, it was kind of hard to do the back of my head and try to show it on camera at the same time, so bear with me. And the hair that I ordered was from Amazon, the pre-made crochet hair, and the hair that I used to wrap it, I got it from my local beauty supplies. I'm gonna insert a picture of both hair throughout the video. And the only thing, pros and cons I'll say about the hair is the pre-made crochet hair from the Amazon is super heavy. I ordered about 6 packs and 10 crochet in each pack, so that's about 60 in total, and I used about 4 and a half, I believe. And it was still pretty heavy, so I would not recommend putting more than 5, or I would not recommend doing 5 packs or 6 because it'll be pretty heavy. This is where I got frustrated when I realized how much I have left.